Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSR Creations. I am doing a swipe and I'm using all these prism pours today. This one is Neptune's Gaze. Wait till we see this one. How pretty is that? All of these are just mixed with a little floetrol and a little squirt of water. This is not the bloom technique. The next one is Pink Diamond. If you'd like to get a set of these prism pours, I have a coupon code. I'll put it right here on the bottom of the screen, TSR 921. Violet Haze. Ooh, this one's really pretty. It's probably one of my favorites. So you can save yourself 20% off on any of the color art, off the color art website with the TSR 921. This one is Peach Dahlia. Beautiful. So I guess I'll be announcing at the end of this video the winner, Royal Sapphire. I'm going to be announcing the winner of the 6-piece Prizm Pour set. So wait till the end to see who wins. Fandango. Look at that. This pretty like yellow green. Kind of reminds me of the candy apple, if you remember that by the DIY. Can't get that anymore. Then I'm using a little Arteza Fairytale blue. Really pretty. One of my favorite blues. Has a shimmery purple in it. See? Yeah. And I also have some Arteza gold. So my base paints today. Oh, here's the gold. Yeah, it's pretty gold. My base paints today are a light pink, custom mixed. I think I used, I forget what I used, and then this like light purpley gray. So I'm going to do a swipe, and I'm going to be swiping with the Australian floetrol mixture of Amsterdam paint, and let's just get right to it. So like I said, I had to scrape the first one. It just didn't work out, and I'm redoing it. So you can tell my canvas has been wiped clean. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy the video. Stay tuned to the end when I announce the winner of the 6-piece Prizm Pour set. All right, and all you need to do if you are the winner, just email me or message me. Yeah, just email me, and my email will be down in the description, and I'll set you up with get all your information actually, and Leslie from Color Art will be sending you that 6-piece set. So congratulations to whoever wins. You got to wait till the end. All right, guys, thanks.
washed out by the rain. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this: if you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight, if only just for a bit, there's a new day to leave behind your troubles. There's a new day, and it will set you free. There's a new day to get you through your struggles. I will always think of you and me. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this: if you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight, if only just for a bit, there's a new day. It is waiting for us. There's a new day waiting round the bend. There's a new day, and it will restore us. There'll be new ways. This is not the end.
All right, guys, now I'm going to announce the winners. So for the color art giveaway of the 6-piece color art set, Judy Hoover, you have won. So please email me. My email will be down below. I'll try to reach out to you if I can, but if not, email me and I will give you the instructions on how to get that 6-piece Prizm Pour set. Congratulations, that's awesome. All right, and for the mega prize goes to Kathy Carr. I'm so excited for you, Kathy. Congratulations. So Leslie by Color Art will be reaching out to you to tell you how to get your hands on that prize. I'm so excited for all of you. So make sure you go check out the other channels and see if you could have still won the 6-piece set on one of the other channels. There's 4 other opportunities here. So everybody have an awesome day. Congratulations to all the winners. And I will see you all soon for the next video. All right, guys, have a great one. Bye-bye.